Good morning, students. Today we are going to draw trapeziums. If we join a triangle and a parallelogram, we will get a trapezium. There are two types of trapeziums are there. One is non-isosceles trapezium and other one is isosceles trapeziums. And we are studying the properties of trapeziums also. Figure shows an isosceles triangle, where this is isosceles triangle, and a parallelogram. What is the specialty of isosceles triangle? Two angle and two sides are equal. And what about the parallelogram? Opposite sides are equal and parallel. Then, if you erase this line, this joining line, if you erase this line, what we are getting? We are getting the shape of a trapezium. So this is the shape of trapezium. Okay, two parallel sides, and again you can see here 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter, and this together it is 6 centimeter. So this one is 6 centimeter length, and this shape is called a trapezium. There are two types of trapeziums. One is the isosceles trapezium and the normal one. In the case of isosceles trapeziums, one pair of opposite sides are parallel. One pair of opposite sides are parallel, and the non-parallel sides are equal. Non-parallel sides are equal. Diagonals are equal. If you draw a diagonal, they are equal, and the angle on each parallel side are equal. Angles on each parallel sides are equal. Then the sum of angles on each non-parallel side is 180 degree. That is the case of isosceles trapezium. Isosceles trapezium means these two lengths are parallel and these two lengths are equal also. Okay. Then the normal trapezium, if the sides are not equal, you can say that is a normal trapezium. The specialty is only one pair of opposite sides are parallel. Only one pair are parallel. These two sides are parallel. Sum of angles on each of non-parallel side is 180. Sum of angles on non-parallel side are 180, and that are equal for this. So this is the shape of the trapeziums. Draw an isosceles trapezium with the adjacent sides 6 centimeter and the angle between them is 50 degree. So see how to draw that one. First of all, you have to draw a 6 centimeter line, then angle 50 you have to take and mark 3 centimeter. So this is 6 centimeter, keep angle as 50 degree, then take 3 centimeter and complete the trapezium. So draw a 6 centimeter line first. Then using a protractor, mark 50 degree. Then draw a 3 centimeter line from here. Since it is an isosceles trapezium, this angle is also 50 degree. Mark 50 degree from the other side also. Then draw a 3 centimeter line from here. Draw 3 centimeter. Then you have to join this end. Draw the line. So you got an isosceles trapezium with angles 50 degree, and the length of adjacent sides are 6 centimeter and 3 centimeter. So first of all, draw a 6 centimeter line, then take an angle 50 degree and mark 3 centimeter line. This side also, because it is an isosceles trapezium, mark angle 50 degree and draw a 3 centimeter line. So same measurement, with the same measurement, instead of angle 50, take angle 60 degree and draw a trapezium, so that you make it as a homework. Okay, adjacent side 6 centimeter and 3 centimeter, and angle between that is 60 degree. Draw an isosceles trapezium. Instead of giving angles, the length of the fourth side is also specified. Then how can you draw the trapezium? 6 centimeter and 3 centimeter are the adjacent sides, and the opposite parallel side with the 4 centimeter. So first of all, you have to draw a 6 centimeter line first. 6 centimeter. Then from both the ends, take 3 centimeter. In your compass, mark 3 centimeter and draw an arc. From both the ends, you have to draw it. So for drawing the trapezium, we can draw like this. Draw an isosceles triangle and a parallelogram. So 6 centimeter line we are cutting into 2 centimeter and 4 centimeter. In 2 centimeter, keep a dot there. And from that 2 centimeter also you have to draw an arc. So first mark is drawn from this side, and from 2 centimeters we are splitting it 6 centimeter into 2 centimeter and 4 centimeter. Total it is 6 centimeter. So from the end of the 2 centimeters you have to draw the next arc. Then you have to join the isosceles triangle first. Draw the side of the triangle and the next side. We got an isosceles trapezium with the 3 centimeter sides. Then, so if next you have to draw a parallelogram. If this length is 4 centimeter, what about this? This is also 4 centimeter. This 4 centimeter you have to draw it from here. Before that, first you have to draw a 3 centimeter arc. Then from this end, draw a 4 centimeter arc. Draw a 4 centimeter arc. So you have to join this. First you draw a 3 centimeter line here. Side of the parallelogram we are getting as 3 centimeter each. Okay. Then you have to join the top end. So this is 4 centimeter. This is also 4 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter, and 3 centimeter. So by completing one isosceles triangle and a parallelogram, we can complete one trapezium, isosceles trapezium. Draw this trapezium with a 7 centimeter base and 4 centimeter side. The opposite parallel side is 2 centimeter. So this also we are drawing like the previous one. So first of all, you have to draw a 4 centimeter line here. Draw a 4 centimeter line and complete one triangle. So this is 2 centimeter. Here also 2 centimeter you will get. So length, the total length is 7 centimeter. So that 7 is cutting to 5 centimeter and 2 centimeter. First you are drawing a 7 centimeter line and mark 5 centimeter and 2 centimeter. So the total length is 7 centimeter and we are cutting it into 5 centimeter and 2 centimeter. So 5 plus 2 is 7, 7 minus 2 is 5 centimeter. So next we are drawing a triangle, isosceles triangle of base 5 centimeter and side 4 centimeters. Take 4 centimeter in your compass and draw an arc from this end and from this 5 centimeter end. Then you have to join these lines. So this is 4 centimeter. Then again you have to draw the next line, next side of the triangle, that also 4 centimeter. Then next, right from the end of this 7 centimeter line, draw another arc and take 2 centimeter in your compass. Then you have to draw it from this end. So you have to join the next parallelogram. So draw the line here, that also 4 centimeter. Then you have to join the top end. So that is 2 centimeter. By completing a isosceles triangle and a parallelogram, we can draw the trapezium with the length 7 centimeter and side 4 and the parallel side 2 centimeter. Either you have to draw 7 centimeter and mark 5 centimeter, or draw 5 centimeter first, then complete the triangle. By extending the bottom end and the top end, you can complete a parallelogram. Like that also you can draw it. Next we are drawing non-isosceles trapeziums. You can see this picture. All sides must be specified here: 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 3 centimeter and 7 centimeter. So this is a non-isosceles trapezium. These two sides are not equal. For drawing this, we can split it into a triangle and a parallelogram. So we will get like this. So the 7 centimeter we can change to 5 and 2 centimeter. This side you will get 3 centimeter. So you get a triangle of 4 centimeter, 3 centimeter and 2 centimeter will get first. Then you can complete the parallelogram. Draw a triangle first, then complete the parallelogram. Draw 2 centimeter line first. Then take 4 centimeter in your compass. 4 centimeter in your compass and draw the arc. Then take a 3 centimeter in your compass, 3 centimeter, then draw the next arc. Then you have to join the triangle. Draw the line of 4 centimeter. Next you can draw a 3 centimeter line here and complete the triangle. So you got the triangle of 4 centimeter, 3 centimeter and 2 centimeter. Then from here you have to draw the parallelogram of sides 5 centimeter and 3 centimeter. Extend the bottom line to 5 centimeter. And from this end draw an arc of 3 centimeter. Then from here you have to draw a 5 centimeter arc. Take 5 centimeter in your compass, then draw the arc from here. Draw the arc from this point to here. Then you have to join the line. So you got a 5 centimeter line here, the parallel to this one. Next you have to draw a 3 centimeter line parallel to this one. So you got the parallelogram of 3 and 5 centimeter parallel sides. So you got a non-isosceles trapezium. Non-isosceles trapezium. So draw a triangle first, then you have to complete the parallelogram. Next we are drawing this non-isosceles trapezium, and instead of 4 sides they will give 3 sides and 1 angle. Using the 3 sides and angle, how we are completing the non-isosceles trapezium. Like the previous one, first we are drawing a triangle, then we are completing a parallelogram. Draw a line and mark 1 centimeter. So we got a 1 centimeter first. Then using your protractor you have to mark 60 degree. Mark 60 degree. Then draw the line of 3 centimeter. This angle is 60 degree. And this side is not specified, so we can join these two lines and draw the triangle here. We are completing the triangle. 1 centimeter here, 3 centimeter here. Then we have to extend this line. Mark this distance in a compass and draw an arc here. Then take 4 centimeter from this point and draw the next arc. 4 centimeter in a compass and draw the next arc. This is not 5 centimeter, this is 4 centimeter. Total it is 5 centimeter. So from this end you have to draw the arc, and from this end also you have to mark it. Then you have to join these lines and complete the parallelogram by drawing the upper line. Draw the parallel line with 4 centimeter. So you got a triangle and a parallelogram, and you have completed the non-isosceles trapezium with a 5 centimeter bottom side, 4 centimeter top side, and side 3 centimeter with an angle of 60 degree. Draw a 5 centimeter line first, then mark 1 centimeter, and from there you have to mark 60 degree and draw a line of 3 centimeter. Then you have to complete this triangle. So take this length in a compass and mark here, and from this end you have to draw the parallel line 4 centimeter. Then you have to complete it. Next we are drawing this trapezium. Here 2 angle and 1 side is specified. So first of all you have to draw a 5 centimeter line, and from one end 60 degree you have to mark it and draw a 3 centimeter line. Then the other end you have to take an angle of 40 degree and draw the line. Draw a line of 5 centimeter first. Then you have to mark the angle at one end, that is 60 degree. Then draw a line of 3 centimeter from this end. 3 centimeter you have to draw it with angle of 60 degree. Mark 3 centimeter. Then the other end you have to mark a 45 degree angle. Mark an angle of 45 degree. Then draw the line. So this is a 3 centimeter mark. Then you have to join these two lines. Draw a straight line parallel to 5 centimeter, and other portions you have to rub it off. Finally you are getting a trapezium like this with a 45 degree angle and 60 degree, with the base 5 centimeter and side 3 centimeter. Or draw an angle of 120 from this line, 120, and draw the straight line. Like that also you can complete this trapezium. Any one method you can use it. Either draw a straight line parallel to 5 centimeter, or take 120 degree from this end and draw the line.